From backpack copters to next-gen bomb protection suits, these mind-blowing inventions are reshaping the battlefield and leaving traditional tactics in the dust. How about we check out these inventions? In the heart-stopping world of bomb disposal, every ounce of protection and every second saved makes a difference. The NP Aerospace 4030 Elite Bomb Disposal Suit and Helmet System isn't just another bulky suit. It's a revolution born from collaboration with EOD operators and state-of-the-art technology. This suit offers 360-degree protection with a new design that covers critical areas and leaves no room for error. But protection isn't just about stopping blasts, it's about being able to move and react. The 4030 Elite boasts an enhanced fit and mobility, allowing for extended wear and effortless maneuvering even in tight spaces. And let's not forget the head. The 4030 Elite helmet is a marvel of both clarity and protection. It features advanced technology for optimal vision, ensuring you see every detail while maintaining robust impact protection. The 4030 Elite isn't just about individual features, it's about inclusivity and adaptability. The suit caters to a wide range of operators from the 5th percentile female to the 99th percentile male, ensuring everyone has the right fit and protection. And because time is of the essence in explosive situations, the 4030 Elite incorporates additional safety features for fast and easy suit removal in under 30 seconds, crucial for those split-second emergencies. This contraption will have you zooming around like Iron Man, but with a backpack instead of a bulky suit. That's the dream behind Copterpack, an electric helicopter strapped right to your back. You can think of it as a supercharged jetpack powered by electricity and equipped with a smart autopilot that keeps you balanced in the air. This futuristic backpack is still in the making, but its creators have already tested a fancy prototype. This awesome invention is a lightweight frame made of super strong carbon fiber, buzzing with 2 sets of propellers like mini helicopters. These whirring blades lift you off the ground and even help you tilt forward to zoom ahead. The traditional practice of recovering spent casings after firearms training can be time-consuming, inconvenient, and even hazardous. The Kastinger brass catcher offers a solution that prioritizes efficiency, safety, and environmental responsibility. This innovative accessory is specifically designed for use with the French Army HK416 rifle. It attaches securely to the Picatinny rail via a simple clip system, ensuring compatibility and ease of installation. Its ergonomic design minimizes its impact on handling and shooting dynamics, catering to both right-handed and left-handed users. The Kastinger boasts a 100% capture rate, eliminating the need for tedious post-training shell collection, irrespective of weather conditions or ground texture. What this means is improved time management during training sessions, allowing participants to focus on skill development rather than manual tasks. When it comes to facing diverse and unforgiving terrain, traditional wheeled vehicles can find themselves limited, and their mobility hampered by snow, sand, swamps, and dense vegetation. Enter the medium ground mobility system, a game changer that empowers them to travel impassable landscapes with remarkable ease. With the MGM-S, you can navigate snow-covered expanses with confident control, flawlessly passing sand dunes that once threatened to swallow the vehicle whole, or bridging muddy marshes that would have previously halted your progress. But then again, the MGM-S isn't just about brute force. This system is an example of adaptability because it smoothly adjusts to specific needs. Like if one is facing a treacherous swamp, its modular design allows you to create a stable causeway, ensuring smooth passage. Let's say there's a dense jungle undergrowth blocking your path. The MGM-S paves the way, its versatility ensuring every obstacle becomes an opportunity. This work of wonder also prioritizes efficiency. Gone are the days of struggling with cumbersome equipment. The accompanying fast-track launch and recovery system allows you to transport and deploy up to 32 meters of trackway effortlessly with minimal manpower. In the heat of the battlefield where chaos reigns and danger lurks around every corner, soldiers rely not just on their courage and training, but also on specialized equipment that can mean the difference between life and death. One such lifesaver is the Triva 30, a behemoth of a vehicle unveiled 2 years ago that redefines the concept of a tow truck. This 4-door armored beast boasts an engine churning out nearly 400 kilowatts, allowing it to navigate treacherous terrain with ease. But its true power lies in its arsenal of recovery tools, each designed to pull soldiers and their vehicles out of the jaws of trouble. In a scenario where a tank is stuck in the mud and the tracks are stirring all over the place, the Treva 30 takes center stage with its winch, a mechanical titan that is capable of pulling a staggering 25 tons, easily yanking the stranded vehicle to safety like a giant helping a fallen friend. Need to lift something even heavier? The twin winch crane, boasting a 30-ton capacity, effortlessly hoists damaged vehicles or clears obstacles, ensuring smooth passage for troops. If you want to explore more fascinating innovations, then hit that subscribe button for exclusive content and be part of the excitement. The year is 2005, and pirates armed with machine guns and RPGs prowl the Somali coast, striking fear into the hearts of travelers. One unlucky day, they set their sights on the luxurious Seabourn Spirit cruise ship filled with unsuspecting tourists. Little did they know that the Seabourn Spirit had a secret weapon on board, a long-range acoustic device, or LRAD. The LRAD isn't your average noisemaker. Imagine a laser beam, but instead of light, it shoots a powerful focused beam of sound, loud enough to rival a jet engine taking off, reaching a whopping 160 decibels. That's like standing right next to a bomb going off without an explosion. But why such an ear-splitting weapon? Unlike a regular loudspeaker, the LRAD doesn't just project sound everywhere. It's like a sonic flashlight aiming its intense beam directly at the target, in this case the pirate boats, and the frequency it uses perfectly attuned to hit the sweet spot of human discomfort, right around 2,000 to 4,000 hertz. The LRAD isn't just a pirate stopper, it's found its way into the hands of law enforcement around the world, who use it as a non-lethal crowd control method in tense situations. Deployed miles from familiar comforts, soldiers face a constant challenge, finding a place to rest, strategize, and even heal in the harshest environments. This is where the Alaska Small Shelter System steps in. These portable tents are built with the resilience of a seasoned warrior. Unlike flimsy camping gear, these combat-tested shelters have weathered scorching deserts and freezing mountains. Over 20,000 strong, serving troops from the US military, NATO, and allied forces worldwide. But the adaptability and the Alaska system is its true strength. It has the ability to transform into cozy living quarters. Need a temporary haven for NCOs, officers, or even commanders? These shelters morph into secure, comfortable spaces for planning, communication, and rest. The skies are changing, and the MWARI is leading the charge. This masterpiece for air forces isn't just another aircraft, it's a force multiplier specifically designed for the demanding reality of modern warfare. Built near Pretoria, South Africa, the MWARI boasts an impressive pedigree. It can soar to a dizzying 31,000 feet, cruise at a brisk 250 knots, and travel up to 550 nautical miles in a single stretch. But speed and range aren't its only strengths. Imagine flying for over 6.5 hours, keeping a watchful eye on the battlefield below. That's the kind of endurance this aircraft offers. But what truly sets the MWARI apart is its versatility. This two-crew powerhouse isn't limited to just one role. It's a C4ISR, or Command, Control, Communication, Computers, Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance platform, gathering crucial information and relaying it to troops. It's also an F3 EAD, Fire, Find, Fix, Finish, Exploit, and Analyze Decisions warrior, capable of delivering precision strikes with pinpoint accuracy. And that's not all. It can even transform into a strike aircraft, carrying a diverse arsenal of weapons and sensors to dominate the skies. Meet HATTORIX, the trailblazer rewriting the rules of battlefield intelligence. Launched in 2018, HATTORIX operates in the shadows, a silent partner strapped to the backs of forward observers, air controllers, and even special forces. This isn't just about finding targets, it's about acquiring them with stealth within a few meters of their location, without anyone knowing you're there. But HATTORIX doesn't just find targets, it eliminates them too. Time-sensitive threats pose no problem. With a simple tap on its touchscreen interface, you can acquire the target, send its precise location, and unleash the firepower, all while staying hidden. Deep in hostile territory where every shadow harbors dangers, special forces need muscle, like the AJBAN Long-Range Special Operations Vehicle, a beast of a machine built by NIMR Automotive. the UAE's leading armored vehicle manufacturer. The LRSOV is the latest evolution in the AJBAN family, a force multiplier for special ops teams around the globe. This vehicle thrives in the harshest environments, and it's a true chameleon, shifting from scorching deserts to freezing mountains with ease. Think reconnaissance missions demanding stealth or daring rescuers requiring speed and agility. The LRSOV transforms to fit the need. Its multiple weapon mounts welcome a variety of high-caliber machine guns, while optional grenade launchers and rifles add bite. For an extra layer of protection, ballistic and blast protection systems can be seamlessly integrated, making the LRSOV a fortress on wheels. Born in the heart of Israeli innovation, FIBROTEX has spent over 5 decades weaving its legacy into the fabric of military excellence. Established in the mid-1960s, their focus has remained laser-sharp, developing and manufacturing cutting-edge concealment solutions specifically for military and special forces applications. This unwavering commitment to pushing boundaries has seen FIBROTEX evolve into a true master of its craft. They don't settle for good enough. Their relentless pursuit of perfection drives them to continuously refine and innovate, offering modern battlefield solutions that aren't just better, they're revolutionary. FIBROTEX doesn't stop at invisibility. They understand the challenges faced by troops on the ground, and their camouflage goes beyond mere visual concealment. Their vehicle covers, for example, not only lower thermal, infrared, and UV radiation, but also prevents heat buildup in the sun, ensuring crew comfort even in scorching environments. Additionally, the flame retardant and water repellent properties safeguard equipment performance, even in the face of harsh weather conditions. And for those moments when the situation demands swift adaptation, FIBROTEX has you covered. Their double-sided design allows for rapid camouflage changes, ensuring you're always one step ahead, whatever the battlefield throws your way. If you want more cool gadgets like these, then click here for another exciting video just like this one.